In spite of the greater body, the new G Class is considerably lighter, 375 pounds lighter to be correct. This is a result of broad utilization of high-quality steel and aluminum. The body is principally comprised of the firm steel, and the bumpers, hood and entryways are made of aluminum. Every one of those bits will in any case be gathered in Graz, Austria, and will be fueled by the current G500's twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8. Yield is unaltered at 416 strength and 450 pound-feet of torque. That power goes through Merc's 9-speed programmed as opposed to the old 7-speed unit. As the forehand's secured, while the G Class holds a different casing, selectable 4-wheel drive with low range, and bolting front, focus, and back differentials, it's been altogether modernized. The strong front pivot is gone for a two-fold wishbone front suspension. This is certain to enhance street taking care of, which will fulfill the rich asphalt pounders from the city, yet will probably stress rough terrain perfectionists. Along the same goes for the move to rack and pinion guiding over recycling ball. Mercedes claims that rough terrain capacity is really more prominent with this age, yet we'll hold up to attempt it ourselves. Possibly a portion of the credit goes to the G-mode driving setting. This rough terrain arranged mode changes the stunts, directing, throttle, and diminishes moving for more controllable going dirt road jumping. It actuates when low go is chosen or one of the differentials is bolted. Evaluating for the enormous Mercedes presently can't seem to be reported. In any case, it will land at dealerships toward the finish of 2018.